Before we start this video, I'd like to thank my viewers because now almost 50% of my viewers are subscribed. And if you do enjoy my content, then please subscribe and click the notification bell and then click all, and then it will notify you when I upload a new video. Thank you. Today we're gonna be making one of my favourites, and it is carrot cake. But for the purpose of this video, we're gonna use Kai language and call it Kai-rot cake. These are the ingredients that you're going to need. 2 cups, so you're going to need 2 cups of plain flour, and this cup is the actual cup measurement. 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of sugar. You can use any sugar, but we found that brown sugar is a wee bit better. 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Also going to need a cup of oil, teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. 3 cups of grated carrot, again cups in like the measurement, the actual measurement cup, like the proper cup, you know, the cup. You can also add walnuts, raisins or sultanas, but we don't really like walnuts in it, so we're just going to do raisins. This recipe is a secret recipe that was given to my mum when she was travelling through Australia, so don't tell anyone. Actually, share it with all your friends. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Also, if you see me, I'm clicking a weird button in this video. It's because my mum, who was originally the camera woman, lost her job and got replaced by a tripod and this button which stops and starts the video. This is a really easy carrot cake recipe, so we're going to combine all the dry ingredients together. So first get 2 cups of flour, cups is in the, you know, the cup measurement, and put them into a bowl, like this one that you can't see, but now you can. Then add 2 teaspoons of baking powder to the bowl with the flour in, and then add to the flour, add a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda to the flour and baking powder. 1 teaspoon of, get a teaspoon of cinnamon and add it to the other ingredients. Then add in a teaspoon of mixed spice. Now add a cup of brown sugar, or any sugar. Now stir all these ingredients together. Crack an egg, 4 eggs actually, crack them into a bowl and then beat all 4 of the eggs. Add the beaten eggs to the bowl with the dry ingredients like the flour and the cinnamon and all that. Now add a cup of oil, 3 cups of grated carrots, then mix together with a basic spoon. About this stage, you should probably start adding some of your raisins in, but I've already done that, forgot to record it, so sorry. Also add nuts or what does it say? Sultanas, or whatever you want. Once the mixture looks like this, start pouring it into a baking tin. Thank you, Mum. Pop it into the oven for about 30 minutes, but we don't know the exact time, so we'll tell you when we take it out. Now that the cake is in the oven, we're going to make the frosting. So for the icing, you need 250 grams of soft cheese, 125 grams of butter at room temperature, and 4 cups of icing sugar. Put the soft cheese into a bowl and then beat it until it's nice and soft. Add the butter and then mix it together. Now gradually mix in the 4 cups of icing sugar. Keep mixing until smooth. If you have an electric mixer, it should be easier. If you like vanilla extract and you have some, then you can add in a teaspoon of it. Wait until the cake's cooled. Once it's cool, then you can put the topping over the cake and hope that it does not fall over the side. Now cut the cake and enjoy it with a nice drink of tea or something. I'd like to thank Amy and Jillian for making the Kyre biscuits that I made in the last video, and also if you make the carrot cake or carrot cake in this video, then comment that you've made it and your name, and I will mention you in the next video. This carrot cake's really delicious. If you enjoyed the video, then please like, and if you think your friends would enjoy this recipe, then share it with them. And thanks for watching how to make carrot cake, or carrot cake, but we call it carrot cake. Bye.